Hi, now we are going to see about promotion stage. Promotion of a business simply refers to all those activities they are required to be undertaken to establish a new business unit for manufacturing or distribution of any product or provide any service to the people. It starts with convincing an idea of business or discover an opportunity for doing a business, assess its feasibility, and then take the necessary steps to launch the business unit. The involves ascertaining as to whether all the basic requirements such as land, building, raw materials, machine, equipments, etc. are available or not. If they are available, one can assemble them, arrange the necessary funds and steps up the business unit to shape to the initial idea of establishing the business. The whole process is called promotion stage. There are four steps involved in promotion stage. 1. Discovery of an idea. 2. Investigation. 3. Planning. 4. Financing. The first steps in discovery of an idea. The discovery of an idea, the promoters will find out what shall be the purpose of forming the company. Such an idea can be formulated out of experience of their own or of others. The purpose must be meaningful, having a practical, otherwise all effort will be futile. The second steps in investigation. They have to make inquiries in the market about the potentiality of the proposed business. Various facts, data and information shall have to be collected and the market has to be studied. The third steps in planning. After proper deliberations and computations of the facts, information, etc., a plan for the purpose business has to be prepared with details. Opinions of management consultants may be sought and a project report may be obtained. In advanced industrial countries, there are professional promoters who do the promotional job. The four steps. Financing. Finance is necessary from the aerial stage till formations of the company is complete. The initial money comes from the promoters themselves and also from underwriters, if any, to be by the company out of his capital. Expense relate to legal obligations, stationery, convenience, and communications with the government, financial institution, the shared brokers, etc. Remuneration payable to the secretary already appointed comes under arranged for getting license under section 11 of the Industries Development and Regulation Act 1951 may be prerequisite before forming of a company. There are expenses for the purpose. The commercial steps are being over. The promoters will now proceed for the legal steps and undertaken the assistance of legal expert like a secretary. Thank you.